Flood advisory in effect until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. What? Urban and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? Portions of north central and northeast Ohio, including the following counties. In north central Ohio, Erie, Huron, and Lorain. In northeast Ohio, Medina. When? Until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Some low water crossings may become impassable. Ponding of water in urban or other areas is occurring or is imminent. Additional details. At 9:49 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. This will cause urban and small stream flooding. Between 1.5 and 2.2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lorain, Elyria, Medina, Sandusky, Norwalk, Vermilion, Western Vermilion, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, Amherst, Grafton, Wellington, Milan, Northern Milan, Wakeman, and North Olmsted. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.